Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm gonna show you how I made this piece. Basically, it's a flip cup, and then I add the crackling paste onto it, and then I add the black. Now, here's the reason why I use black and white the most in this piece. It's because today is my birthday, and basically it's May 21st, so it's the commencement of Gemini season. I'm a Gemini, so I would love to capture this idea of dark and light, and hence, black and white. And I figure out, like, if it's black and white, then it's too plain, so I add the iridescent black, which turns out to be a little bit blue, and also purple inside of it, just add a little bit of flavor. If you guys love this video, make sure to smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification button so that YouTube will notify you whenever I post a new video. Oh yeah, this is my new hair, no longer having the bun. Cambodia just announced that we're no longer having like new cases, so like I finally gathered the guts to go out to have a haircut. And also, I've also added a PayPal donation button down below. If you willing to help your man out a little bit, make sure you do it. I'll be really appreciate it. So that's it. Let's get into the pouring part, shall we? Hope you like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. you.